In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use rules in Outlook Desktop and the new Outlook to automatically organize your emails. First, open Outlook and go to Settings. Then select Mail and Rules if you're using the new Outlook or Outlook on the web. If you're using the classic Outlook desktop app, click File, then Manage Rules and Alerts. Click Add New Rule or New Rule to create a rule. Give the rule a name, then choose the condition that will trigger it, such as emails from a specific sender or messages containing certain words. Next, choose the action you want Outlook to perform. For example, you can move emails to a folder, mark them as read, forward them, or assign a category. Review your rule, save it, and turn it on. If available, you can also choose to run the rule on existing emails that already match the condition. From now on, Outlook will automatically apply the rule whenever a matching email arrives. That's how to use rules in Outlook Desktop and the new Outlook. Thanks for watching.